Unleashing AI to generate wildcard image prompts paves the way for a myriad of unique and spontaneous results. Reducing wildcards across various generation stages allows for the crafting of coherent pieces of art. Such creations can then serve as the foundation for a mood board. Artwork that aligns with the 3D animatic is generated by introducing basic geometry into stable diffusion via ControlNet. Combining different component plates creates a preliminary 3D sketch that triggers the modeling process. Leveraging AI for intricate detailing enables the use of simple Boolean modeling to shape objects. Incorporating remeshing and auto UV enables swift preparation of models. A library of AI-generated seamless patterns can be used to model geometry or texture objects. Once the model is complete, textures are baked to start image generation. Within Comfy UI, a workflow tailored to specific requirements is devised, which is subsequently exported into a JSON file. The JSON file allows for the selection of variables to be exposed within the 3D software, offering artists control when generating textures for multiple objects. Following this process, objects are selected and desired parameters inputted, initiating image generation. This process extends beyond mere images, enabling the rendering of depth maps, masks, and more. An automated shader setup allows artists to seamlessly browse through the generated results in the viewport. By creatively utilizing the generated images, we can fabricate shaders with immense detail. Starting with a custom image, a color and depth map is created. The model is displaced and remeshed, followed by shader assignment. The automation of this process yields many variations. These variations enrich our scenes with intricate detail, and detailing is AI's strong point. Through video generation, simulated effects can be mimicked in a fraction of the usual time. The layering of these effects results in intriguing outcomes.